In this video, I will show you how to change font color in WordPress. If you want to know how it's done in this video, it's free. You can see right here that I have actually opened right here a post. So this is actually just a test post. And in here, I will show you how to change font color. You can see right here that my font color is usually black, as you can observe. But when you head over and click on a specific block and on the text that's actually on the block right here, you can see this icon is here, which is the settings icon. So click on that, and in here you can see this block settings. Click on that, and this is actually the block that we have selected. So make sure that you have selected the block right here before you actually edit out things. So you can select a block, and in here you can see the options right here for color. So you have in here the option for text. So click on it, and you can change the text color that you want. For example, let's change it to red, and as you can see, it's been changed into red. So you can choose whichever color you want. You can also type in here the hex if you want as well. So let's make this red right here. Now in here, you can also change the background as well. As of right now, it's actually transparent. You can change it out in any color that you want it to be. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.